With hunger taking centre stage during the first wave of the pandemic, the South African Breast Milk Reserve, in partnership with the Gateway Health Institute, began pivoting toward food banking, forming the Feeding Collective. We were able to secure funding from the Roddenberry Foundation, with which we selected an early childhood development centre, Ratang Bana, meaning a future for our children, in Mankweng, Limpopo. Food parcels were distributed on the 4th of December 2020, at the beginning of the Christmas break, to the families of 150 children. An average of 900 people received nutritional and hygiene support during the month of December. Early childhood development centres were among the hardest hit facilities and infrastructures during the pandemic. The social distancing requirements have reduced the number of children allowed to attend the schools. At Ratang Bana, 150 children are enrolled, but only 50 can attend, thus leaving everyone except preschoolers at home. This had a direct impact on children who are now missing 2 daily meals provided at the centre. Early childhood development centres are places of safety for children, places away from the abject poverty and often violent domestic settings. The Feeding Collective takes a community-first approach. We engaged in extensive community dialogues to ensure the most effective implementation of our interventions and buy-in from those we aim to support. At the handover of the parcels, we saw that the centre had started a food garden and that the ongoing setback since our first visit in 2018 was the lack of piped water, flush toilets and sanitation. A few houses with long drops are in the process of collapsing, and running water is needed for both irrigation and the practice of wash. We believe in learning how to support our communities through direct engagement. This is where we decided to invest in digging a borehole and building flush toilets for children and staff. Sanitation is non-negotiable when empowering communities to survive and thrive. Join our effort and help us raise 180,000 Rand to build a borehole and toilets to bring health and dignity to the children and teachers at Ratang Bana.